we spent all day here in Bishkek in the sort of big car bazaar. We've had our front left shock changed. That's down there still. The spring was also smashed up in there. That's in a bag somewhere. We checked our rear shocks; they were actually fine. But now we've also had our roof rack fixed. So it's actually really, really sturdy on now. And as you can see, Ewan's climbing in it. So we're actually doing really well out of this trip. And we're now going to have to do a bit of a 24-hour drive to get us to Nur Sultan. Just going for a wander through the world's biggest bazaar?
I think so.
World's biggest bazaar. We made it to Kazakhstan last night. We drove through the night to this small town in the on the north edge of the big lake in the centre of Kazakhstan, and we've just had a bit of food. It's still quite early. It's still just before 11 o'clock.
Before 11 o'clock, having like burgers and stuff in a pizza place. Great breakfast.
So we're now about to make the big drive up, probably about the same as we did last night. We've been driving for about, how long were we driving? 12 hours? 12 hours? So we've got another similar distance drive, but hopefully the roads are a bit better because we're heading towards the capital. Driving through Kazakhstan for maybe 18 hours. The scenery has not changed one bit. Exactly the same as when we drove in.
We're in Kazakhstan. Look at it. What is this?
Terrible stuff.
Oh, so close.
On the plus side, we're on a motorway for once. Probably the first time since Azerbaijan. So that's good feelings.
Smooth road. Look at this. Potholes are not there at the moment. Anyway.
Just about to hit roadworks, so maybe.
Maybe. Anyway, it's raining.
In a row, you get the guys sleeping away. We're caught up though.
After parking outside the apartment block we're staying in, we have had our god beam stolen. There we go, yep, that's where our god beam used to be. It's not there now. Haven't taken our taxi sign, luckily. But yes, sad day for all of us. They've also taken our rubber matting, but you know what? We'll survive. We'll get on with our terrible head beams, and somehow we'll make it across the desert.
time for the Mongolian border. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at the front rally cars waiting to go into Mongolia, which is about 20 kilometers across no man's land that way.